Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching audio fundamentals so you avoid sync drift later. Import your video and the music file into the same library and create a project with the correct frame rate. Once done, set the timeline start and check sample rate, 44. 1 kHz versus 48 kHz matters. Next, drag the music onto a secondary audio track below your primary clip so you can audition placements. Make sure snapping is on. It speeds lining up beats to edits and markers. Now focus on detailed alignment. Zoom the waveform until individual beats are visible, and use the audio skimmer to find downbeats. Place markers on both the music track and the video cuts. Press M on the playhead for precision. Once markers exist, nudge the music clip by frame or 1/10 frames for micro adjustments, and make sure to listen in looped playback. Because you can visually match transients, you reduce trial and error. This also helps when you later adjust tempo or slip edits. Finish by balancing levels. Use clip gain and audio keyframes to duck music under speech and apply subtle fades for clean transitions. If the music timing still needs tweaks, try audio retiming or speed adjustments. Small percent changes can align phrases. Once satisfied, render the timeline to confirm real-time playback. If you encounter drift later, relink media, confirm sample rates match, and re-render. In most cases, those steps fix sync problems quickly. Keep backups before making.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.